Ciao, welcome to my channel Learn Italian Language. First of all, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. In this lecture, we will learn that how we can translate some Italian sentences into English sentences. With the help of these short sentences, we will also learn the vocabularies that will help us to speak Italian language. Okay. First word is sei lontano. Sei is a verbo essere. Io sono, tu sei. Lontano, lontano mean away, at a distance. Okay. Sei mean you are. Io sono, I am. Tu sei, you are. Lontano, away. You are away. You are away. Okay. Next is sei. Sei mean you are. We don't need to put to say, because with the help of say we also know that it's mean to say. Okay, we all can put tu sei lontano, but tu sei molto gentile. But if we don't mention it to say, then we also know that it's you are. Say mean you are. Say you are molto mean great, very, gentile, kind. You are very kind. You are very kind. Sei vergine. Sei vergine. You are virgin. Okay, next is sei sposata. Sposata means to marry. Okay, sei sposata or sposato. For the girl we use sposata. For the man we use sposato. Okay, sposata mean married. Say you are married. You are married. Okay. Next is oggi pomeriggio. Oggi mean today, pomeriggio afternoon. Today afternoon. Okay. Next is oggi brutta giornata. Oggi mean today, brutta mean bad, giornata mean day. Today bad day. Okay. Next is oggi ti ho pensato. Oggi mean today, ti ho I have. Tio, I have. Pensato, think. Ti mean you. O, I have. Pensato, think about you. I have think about you. Okay. Today I think about you are you. Today I think you are I think about you. Okay. Oggi o domani. Oggi mean today. O mean are. Domani tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. Okay. Next is oggi pomeriggio. Domani pomeriggio. Domani mean tomorrow. Pomeriggio afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Next is domani parliamo. Domani parliamo. Domani mean tomorrow. Parliamo word come from parlare. When we coniugazione di parlare, io parlo, tu parli, lei, lui parli. Parla, noi parliamo, voi parlate, loro parlano. Loro parlano. Parliamo mean we speak. Okay, noi parliamo. Here we don't mention it noi because when we see parliamo, we also know that it's mean we speak. Okay, mangiamo, we eat. Okay, impariamo, we learn. Okay, domani mean yesterday. Oh, tomorrow, sorry. We now we are thinking about tomorrow, then it will be already we know that it will use will, that we do this work, we will do tomorrow, we will speak. Okay, next is domani ti chiamo. Domani mean tomorrow, ti chiamo, I will call you. I will call you. Okay. Next is domani ora non posso. Domani tomorrow. Ora adesso. Now. Non posso, it's not possible. Tomorrow. It's mean that this work will be done tomorrow. It's not possible now. Not possible. Okay. Next is fatto a mano. Fatto mean I do. Fatto word come from fare. Io fatto, tu fai, lui fa. Okay, fatto I do a mano by hand. I do by hand. Okay. Next is fatto parte. Fatto mean I do. Parte for you. Or I do for you, I made for you. Okay. Next is fatto richiesta. Fatto mean I did. Richiesta request. Richiesta request. Now we know that what we say request to in Italian. Richiesta. Richiesta. I do request. Or I did request. Okay. Fatto bonifico. Bonifico mean transfer. Fatto I did. Bonifico transfer. I did transfer. Next is cosa non capisci. Cosa mean what, non mean no, capisci, capisci word come from capire. Capire mean to understand. When we coniugazione di capire, io capisco, tu capisci. Ok, io capisco, tu capisci, lui capisce. Ok, capisci mean you understand. Cosa non capisci, what you not understand. What you not understand. Okay, next is cosa mi consiglio. Cosa mi consiglio. Consiglio mean to recommend. Okay, cosa mean what, mi consiglio, I recommend. What do I recommend? Okay. Okay. If you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel Learn Italian Language. Ciao!